Welcome to Baby No More Sap Adventure!
Hello guys, so ito po yung gift sa akin dati. Nini ng Gerard!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Nini ng Gerard! Buksan na natin guys.
Dapat bumati ka muna. Sabi mo, Happy New Year sa inyong
Happy New
lahat.
Year! Nini ng Gerard!
Batiin mo pati lahat. Huwag si Ninong Gerald lang. Lahat ng manonood sa'yo, batiin mo dapat.
Happy New Year guys! I love you too!
Okay, sirahin mo na.
Happy New Year guys! I love you too!
Sirahin mo na. Wow, laki naman yan. Wow, what's that? That's very big. Sige, tingnan namin. Ayan. Wow, ito naman.
Let's open it!
Wow, that's a very big box. What's inside the box? What's that? Show us the box. Show us the page. Show us the box. There you go. LOL, what's that? LOL, deluxe present surprise. Okay, let's do this. Thanks for the help, Mom. Yeah, there you go. Here's another one. Yeah, thanks for the assistance, Honey. Show it to us. No, the other way around. Oh, my. A lot of eggs. Wow. What's that? Sticker box. A sticker box. Whoa. Maybe that's the place where you're going to put the eggs, right?
We're so big!
Huh?
How big that? What's this?
You better count the eggs first. Sab, put the eggs and then let's count it. All right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Show it to us.
6.
Let me see. Oh, there you go.
What this?
I think that's just a sticker. No, it's not. What is it?
I wanna go.
You wanna open one? Wanna try to open one? See, open it.
Just stickers. 1, 2, 1,
Oh, there you go. You continue ripping it down. Oh, wow. What's that?
Dress! Dress LOL. What's there? Gagawa tayo ng slime! Wow, so neat. Oh,
Baka ibababad sa tubig to.
oh.
Ito, ilalagay doon.
Lalaki. It's a very
So many
cute.
gagawa gawa tayo gulo tayo slime. Panggawa to. Slime.
Mga nga.
Kaya nga surprise eh.
Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna soak this one in cold water, and then let's find out what's inside of this one. Okay, we'll show you the video soon. But so far, here are the what's inside the LOL box. Okay, so we're gonna show you. It'll be soon. What's going to expect. Okay, so let's go get a water. Woo!
Hello guys, lalagay na natin sa tubig to para makita na natin yung laman.
Go. Block 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 Okay, palagawa mo. Okay. Say mo. Dyan. Oh, careful ha, hot the water. Careful. Let's not do it. Gonna ruin it. Bumili sa drink na sa basurahan mo siya. Wag sa ano mahulog. So, what's inside? What's that? Ah, yung team na LOL. Ang liit. Ang laki-laki ng box. Yan lang siya kalaki. Bayan. Sige, tangin mo na yan. Open mo na yan. What's that? Sige, punit. Oh, no, do not bite. Oh.
Puro LOL.
Siyempre, LOL nga yan. What do you expect? Siyempre yan. Alam nga naman may BTS sa loob niya. Wow, baby LOL? Oh, pet. Pet yan, pet. Pet ni LOL yan. Ano yan? What's that? Is that a cat? What's that?
Cat.
So this one is baby LOL. Chocolate LOL, and then this one is si Moning. Meow. What's that? Headband ni Moning?
No. Headband niya.
So use it. Put it on top. Like that?
Yes.
Like that? Let me see.
Yes.
Ta-da! Wow! Party headband. So you're gonna put a dress to this one. Careful, careful. Ta-da! Fiona, careful. Need help? Need help? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yay. You're gonna put a dress. Put the clothes to what's the name of your doll? What's her name?
Di ko alam.
You give her a name.
Siko.
What? What's
Shana.
Shana? Shana na na na. Na 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 na. Shana na na na. Na 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 na. Shana na na na. Shana na na na. Hey! 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 Shana na na na. Shana na na. Shana na na na.
Use your fruity.
Shana
Use
na
your
na.
fruity, guys.
Go. Put the clothes on. Put the clothes on. Put the clothes on. Na 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 na. Take your shirt on. Na 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 na. Take your shirt on. Na 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 na. Take your shirt on. There you go. Put your shirt on. Na 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 na. Put your shirt on. Mommy, help Sab. Help Sab.
Di, dapat ayun. Tatanggalin. Tapos lalagay ito.
I-show it to the camera. Yan.
Tapos,
This is morning.
ay! Tatanggal ulo.
Hey, what happened? Oh no! You removed the head. Ah! Ah! Put my head back. Put my head back. The name of the doll is Shana.
Shana.
Oh, she named it Shana.
Si Shana, yung kapit mo. Okay.
Let mom do it. Yan.
This one is morning.
Let me see the finished
Ano pa?
product.
There's
Let me
This
see.
one.
There's
The
a pa.
headband. Saan ba ito? Ito.
Na 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 na. Put your shirt on.
Yan, ang
Tada!
cute.
Tada!
Ito yung pet niya.
Hello, Shara. Hello, Muning.
So sad.
Did you know that it will change color if you're going to soak it in the cold water?
Ito?
Yes, it will.
Sige, kukuha ko.
You try to get cold water and then
Ngayon
you gotta
ulit?
stick it in.
Ulit?
Pwede bang ano lang, warm?
No, cold water. It says in the instruction, it's cold water.
So, yeah.
Cold water.
Wait, guys.
So we're now going to see if it will change color, okay? And thanks, mommy, for the assistance. Look.
Ay, yung nag-glittery
Look,
lang.
look. Look, what happened?
Nag-glittery.
Glitter.
Opo.
Ay,
Yung hair niya, ang nag-iiba. Yun o. Nag-glitters.
Ah. Kanina ba, what's the color? Green?
Oo. Hindi ko
Then it turned out violet?
Mm.
Ah. Wow.
Kita mo.
Charan!
Ayun nga, try mo nga yan.
Let's see what happened to the pet muning when soaked to water.
Ayun, parang nag-shiny lang siya. Shiny ulo. Tingnan natin. Hindi, parang
Nothing changes? Nagluto tayo.
Ewan. Pumuti lang siya ng kaunti.
Nagluta? Lux White ba ang gamit mo? Kaya ang ganda mo.
Okay na.
Lux White ba ang gamit mo? Kaya ang ganda mo.
What's this?
Okay.
It's glitter.
Okay, so that's the unboxing of LOL. So what will you say to your sponsor?
Thank you, Ninang Gerard.
Okay, take care wherever you are.
Happy New Year.
Okay, so you say what's your wish for 2021?
I wanna go stones.
What?
Toys.
Hindi, anong wish mo? What's your wish?
I want toys with tomorrow.
Okay, what else?
Pray. Ano pray mo? Ano po pray?
Okay, that's
Ano na?
enough.
Sabi ne. Ano yung ikaw-wish ne?
I wanna go tomorrow because I wanna go tomorrow. I'm Toy Kingdom because I wanna go toys.
You're not allowed to go
tomorrow.
to Toy Kingdom yet because it's still
Bye.
pandemic. So what are your other wish? Or
I wanna go tomorrow because I wanna toys tomorrow.
puro ka na lang toys, pakain ko sa yung toys mo.
Ano wish mo, Sag? Sana po.
Sana po gusto ko ng toys ng tomorrow.
Oh man. Oh, let's stop this one. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye! Dito na po natapos ang ating video. Huwag kalimutan i-like and share and subscribe. Bye! Bye!